Red cog, driven off the little cog. Blue cog, it's on the same shaft as the yellow cog. Another blue cog. That leads up to the big yellow cog on the side. And that's the low gear cog. As you might notice, as I'm building it, I'm making little design changes on the way, so you'll probably have to undo a few bits of the construction sequence. For instance, I had to move that grey stop because it was fouling the gear. One of my previous pictures shows it there. I moved it to there. So there you have it. The finished result so far. There's the completed one on the bus.